Hey y'all, coming to you from the Doubletree by Hilton, Biloxi, 2020 Cruisin the Coast, and today is Monday. First day registration. I don't know if registration's open or not, but I can tell you I'm headed into Cruise Central this morning. We're gonna get out and see what we got going on today. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's report, and man, again, I am so stoked to be here. As you can see, the weather is beautiful. It's gonna be a great week. Let's get this camera turned around and check out Monday, 2020 Cruisin the Coast. All right, so registration is open. Today and tomorrow they split the alphabet up so that you wouldn't have as many people coming in, but my goodness, would you just look at it. I mean, cars just coming from everywhere. It's just amazing. I can't imagine that they're gonna be down this year. I just have a feeling they're gonna set a record. I mean, everybody's dying to get out, and I wanted to do this walkthrough. You know, I mean, because this is Cruisin the Coast. This is what it's about. Cool cars, beautiful weather, you know, and what better way to show it to you than just walking along and showing you what's coming in to get registered.
Hey, buddy.
Hey. Thank you, brother. Cool old patina truck and a patina car. There again, trying to make sure everybody feels included, because that's what Cruisin the Coast is about. If you like it shiny, bring it. If you like it beat up, bring it. If you like it bigger than it should be, bring it. Will you look at that thing? There's another thing you see a lot of down here, these monster type hot rods. It's good looking Le Mans. And you would bronzish brown, I'd be like, I don't know. But man alive, I just thought that was a good looking car. Nice stance, nice wheels, vinyl top, good looking car. And I wanted to give you an overview, just to kind of give you an idea. Now this is Cruise Central.
So this is where everybody comes in to check in, but this, you know, after this, then the car shows start happening later in the week and they start driving around. But this is where you can come hang out anytime you want to. And this Nova, I swear this Nova's made every video I've ever done. Every time I've come to Cruising the Coast, this Nova's been in the video. It is just very cool. I dig it. One day I'm going to shoot a feature on that car. And this Jeep, I'd even forgot about these big old Jeeps. And this thing came pulling in and it was like brand spanking new. You know what I say, cool is cool, and that sure was cool to me. I hope it was to you. Good looking truck. Ford, I didn't see under the hood, so we'll just, you know, have our fingers crossed it was a Ford and a Ford. But it had a nice stance. I like the color. I showed you cars driving in, so I wanted to kind of, you know, show you around some, you know, around the grounds. That was a nice looking Ford too. Trying to get them Mopars, trying to get them Fords, because there is sure a lot of Chevys. They're not hard to get. Chevys are everywhere. So Ford followed by a blown Mopar, Pro Street car, black shiny paint, Road Runner, good looking car. Man, there is just a ton of cool down here right now. And the place is blowing up. I cannot even start to... Oh, okay, so this is Centennial Plaza. And if you haven't been down here in a couple of years, they have turned all this into hotels. And there's a fountain. And, yeah, I mean, Cruising the Coast is over to the right there. Registration and all of that. But the other side of that complex now, if you've not been here in a while, the other side of this complex now is a resort. All those buildings, see guys, when Katrina hit, all these buildings got flooded. And this used to be the VA retirement home, I believe. And then they built them a new one. And hey, the men in blue, right? Mississippi State Troopers. Got cool motorcycles, that's for sure. I dig the blue and silver color combo, but I wanted to give them a shout out because, man, they put up with a lot while we're down here, and they're gracious hosts too. Most of them will let us have fun as long as we don't get stupid. And then we're back to traffic coming in again. How do I show you cool cars without just walking along? Jimmy Posey and his T-Bird. What about that? And then we finished up the day in Long Beach, and they have a concert. I wanted to show you the stage. They have this closest big parking lot, and they have a free concert. And of course, they have the opening ceremony parade. They were limiting it to 500 cars. I didn't shoot the whole parade, guys, because, you know, it takes probably, I don't know, hour and a half for all these cars to file by here. And it's late. It's already like 10 o'clock my time when I'm putting this video together at night. I got to get it uploaded. Last night, the hotel reset my internet in the middle of the night, so I had to start my upload all over first thing in the morning. Man, I'm hoping that doesn't happen again tonight. That's the one thing I love cruising, but man, I put in the hours down here, and it's walk and run and get here and get there, and man, it's a lot of work. So I don't mind doing it. I hope you all enjoy it. I'm going to send you out just watching the rest of this parade. Cruising the Coast 2020. I'm having a ball. I'm so stoked to be back. I am so glad we got everything worked out and I can be back down here again. Next year's the 25th anniversary, guys. It's going to be bigger and better than ever. Woody has talked to me on several occasions, told me, Scotty, please let him know we got special things planned. We want to get this 25th anniversary. We want it just to be off the hook. And I don't know how much more off the hook Cruisin' Coast can be, but that's what Woody's telling me. So again, till tomorrow, I hope you enjoyed the report. See ya.